Okay, harvest chasers, we got action. Lenawee County, southeastern part, harvest 2025. We got another John Deere right up here on the left-hand side, all green coming in. Got corn spill on the road up ahead. Looks like he ran into a little situation. It's pretty much filled up. It's gonna have to get out and dump that corn. Okay, he's backing out. He's gonna dump his corn. So actually the grandmother just stopped and I was chit-chatting with her. That's her grandsons out there harvesting. How's your year? How many acres do you guys do? Enough. Wow, it's the second S770 I've seen today. First time capturing these farmers here in Lenawee County. There's the grandson right there and another grandson riding the combine, driving the combine. I asked him how many acres he does and he says enough. Well, I hope they're having a great harvest 2025. 1, 2, 3.